I bring you the tale of a murder most foul. Hello, I'm your narrator. Stand by and see how our clever Foley artists bring a murder mystery to life. In a radio play, the scene is set by Foley artists using carefully prepared sound effects. In our production, DYLAN DREYER steps up to make some noise.
Hi, Leer. It's so nice to meet you.
DYLAN, nice to meet you. My co-Foley.
Meteorologist DYLAN DREYER joins Murder in Studio One as the company's assistant Foley artist.
Walking in leaves out in the woods.
Oh, wow. Is that cornflakes?
It's bran flakes, higher in fiber. Walking in snow.
Oh, that sounds really like snow.
Veteran Foleyman Leer Leary teaches DYLAN the craft. It's the Foley's job to supply all the sound effects in real time.
Oh, no, never mind. Here they are now.
That was so
Jeez,
bad.
Lieutenant, you had a hard time with the door, didn't you?
I can
This
get
is your
better
first
at
time.
that. Yes,
That was not
okay.
a bad first Foley
That was a
attempt.
terrible first Foley.
Young DYLAN is not a natural.
Me just trying to open and close the door the first couple of times, it's like, oh, I really have to slam the door. Like, I have to commit to this sound effect. And if I don't, I mean, the whole play kind of hangs on a limb.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here they are now.
A little weak, huh?
Good.
All right.
What's your motivation?
I want to open and close the
There
door.
we go.
Yes.
With conviction.
With conviction.
Here they are now.
It was better, right?
That was excellent. Perfect. Sound is often overlooked, sometimes called the ugly puppy.
You don't realize you'd ever miss it, but if it wasn't there, there would definitely be a void.
Little known fact, the art of Foley comes from a man named Jack Foley, who helped bring sound to talkies in the late 1920s.
He had incredible timing. He was so good at it, other producers would go, "Get me that Foley guy, where's my Foley guy?" And then other guys would say, "Well, I can do that Foley stuff."
But, unlike film, there are no retakes in live theater.
My final advice for DYLAN is to be loud and proud, hit the back row with that sound effect. It's going to make everything that much better, and the other actors are counting on you.
And it's time to hit the stage. Yes, the Today players triumph in their roles, and though our Foley team stands in darkness behind the stars, they shine just as bright.
Hey, boys!
Looks like it's got typing on it.
The actors have their bows, but it's our assistant Foley who draws on her training to end the show on a high note.